Here's your WNEM TV5 news update.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Blake Keller. Here's a look at the top stories we're following today. In mid-Michigan, hospitals are battling overcrowded facilities and staffing shortages. This month, they've been forced to divert ambulances to other healthcare facilities. And since September, Mid-Michigan Health in Midland has been on diversion 4 times for a total of 10 hours. The medical director of the emergency department says a big reason is the number of patients and small staff. It says COVID-19 is only part of it. Only 37 of the 250 patients there are dealing with COVID. Others include patients who put off getting care during the pandemic. Flint's Hurley Medical Center also reporting 100% capacity. And this comes as the state hits a COVID-19 vaccination milestone. 70% of the state's population has received at least 1 dose of a vaccine. Today, that's more than 5.7 million people. And now kids 5 to 11 are eligible for the vaccine, and more high-risk adults are getting the booster dose as the effectiveness of their original vaccine wanes. 2 more chances this week to share your input on mental health millage funds in Genesee County. You can attend an in-person event tonight at the House of Prayer Missionary Baptist Church in Flint, or attend a virtual event tomorrow night. Both run from 6:30 to 8. To register for the virtual event, just head over to the hot links section of our website. All right, here's Matthew with a look at your forecast.
Thank you, Blake. Good Wednesday afternoon, mid-Michigan. During this lunch hour, rain is starting to pick up around mid-Michigan here. That'll eventually come to an end as we head into the overnight hours tonight. That's as a cold front passes through on the First Warn5 sky tracker. We can see that there. But with that cold front passing through, we'll have a cooler shift in the forecast, especially for your Thursday, and also breezy with that air having some momentum to it. So your hour-by-hour forecast, 3 p.m. on this Wednesday, a little bit of a break, but still spotty rain coverage, picking back up, especially by around the 5 to 6 o'clock hour here. 8 o'clock still focused mainly south and east in the area. Before around midnight, that rain does come to an end. We'll have a brief clearing also towards the later overnight hours out west in our western counties. Rainfall totals, or additional rainfall, I should say, is only going to amount to around 1/4 of an inch on average here. Some locally higher totals are going to be possible, but overall that rain is also going to be spread out over around a 6 to 8 hour period. So that is the good news there. Again, not amounting to too much. For today, we'll have a high of 58 degrees. Pretty much have reached that at this lunch hour, continuing to cool off through the afternoon and evening with a southwest wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, a low of 34 degrees. That rain coming to an end early on tonight, again around midnight, and that wind shifting to the west at around 10 to 20 miles per hour. That breeze will continue on Thursday. Also, we're talking wind gusts out of the west at around 30 miles per hour for the midday and the afternoon. So make sure those outdoor objects are secured. On the 7-day forecast, we do have a high of 39 for Thursday, then 40s Friday through Sunday there. Back to the 30s Monday and Tuesday, and another solid shot at some rain and snow coming in on Sunday and Monday.
Remember to tune into WNEM TV5 on air and online 24/7 for the latest news, weather, and information.